Welcome to elxis Open Source CMS. In this screencast we will review the administrator area of elxis CMS. Type yourdomain.com/administrator at your browser. This is the login screen of elxis. At the bottom of the page you can find a set of buttons of all available languages. Press to switch to the language of your choice. Fill in your login details, username and password in the text fields. And press this button to log in. So, here is your control panel of your elxis-powered site. Most common tasks are placed in this list of buttons, at the center of the page. This list can easily be expanded by adding your own shortcuts in it. To add a shortcut, click this link here to choose from tasks those that you need more. At the right of the page you can see 5 tabs. Each one contains a list relative to the most common parts of elxis. Here you are able to quickly check, access and edit users logging, components, most popular and latest items. Also you can directly access and edit menus. Now we will see the top navigation bar of elxis administrator page. Here exist all configuration settings of elxis, all content, all categories and sections, extensions, all components and various other tools and settings that manages your site's appearance and behavior. In this tab exists all configuration settings of elxis, server settings, users and their access permissions, templates of your site or languages. Also from here you can access and manage media files on your site, pictures, videos, sound files, etc. Menu tab. In this tab you can manage site menus, or create new menus and site links in different menus in your site. Content tab. You can find under this tab and manage sections, categories and their content items. Here also can manage static content of your site. Components tab. elxis components will be listed in this tab. Manage your polls, blogs, contacts, banners and various other third-party components. Modules tab. Site and administrator modules are under this tab. You can configure or reposition your existing modules or create new modules to various positions and expand your site's functionality. Boats tab. Installers tab. Use this tab to install or uninstall any elxis extension, templates, boats, components, modules or languages. Messages tab. elxis use is an internal system for site's administrator communication. This is really flexible when corporate with other users on your site building. System tab. View system information. Clean cache and check in your content items from this tab. Tools tab. elxis tools are unique, especially Defender and Flood Blocker, which are responsible for your site's security. Note, those tools are not enabled by default. Visit this tab to enable them. Last thing to review an administrator area of elxis CMS is those buttons at the upper right corner of the page. This is a help button that displays the usage of current pages buttons. Next button beside is a link to elxis wiki where you can visit and find more deep and detailed documentation. Above is an indicator of users connected on your site at the current moment. Next is a message indicator for elxis internal messaging system. This is a button for the elxis internal help files. They are part of your elxis installation and they are stored on your server. A language selector for administration area. And finally the logout button. Click here to log out from elxis administrator.